Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but essential trick in Google Drive, how to completely empty your trash bin. Whether you're running out of storage or just want to keep your drive clean, this guide will make it super easy. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also share a few tips to make this process faster and safer. First, let's understand why emptying the trash is important. Google Drive doesn't immediately delete your files when you hit remove. Instead, they go to the trash, where they stay for 30 days. If you want to free up storage or permanently remove sensitive files before the 30-day period, you'll need to empty the trash manually. Here's how to do it step by step. Open Google Drive. Start by logging into your Google Drive account on a browser or the app. Go to the Trash folder. On the left-hand menu, you'll see Trash or Bin, depending on your region. Click on it to see all the files you've deleted. Select Files. You can delete files individually by right-clicking and selecting Delete Forever, or you can select multiple files at once. If you want to clear everything, you can use the Empty Trash button at the top. Confirm deletion. Google Drive will ask for confirmation before permanently deleting your files. Click Empty Trash to finalize. Remember, once you do this, your files are gone forever. No undo. Optional tip: using mobile. On your mobile device, open the Drive app, tap Trash, then tap the three-dot menu and select Empty Trash to clear all files in one go. Pro tips: double-check your trash before emptying it to avoid losing important files. If you accidentally delete a file you need, you can restore it from the trash before the 30-day mark. Regularly emptying your trash helps keep your Google Drive organized and prevents storage issues. And that's it. You've just learned how to empty your Google Drive trash in 2025. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with friends who need a clutter-free drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.